Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you some very delicious and crispy cheesy potato tacos that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. The Cinco de Mayo crispy cheesy potato tacos. These are the ingredients: salt, black pepper, melting cheese. I have cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, corn tortillas, potatoes, tomato, jalapenos, scallions, cilantro, lemon, and let's get ready. Let's make these crispy tacos. I want to start first cooking the potatoes. I have in a pan boiling water. I'm going to add to this 1 tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to add my 4 large potatoes. I'm going to cook them for about 40 minutes until they are nice and soft. And here I want to continue with my tomatoes, and I'm going to take the seeds off. This is so that the pico de gallo is not too runny and it doesn't have too much liquid in there in the pico de gallo. So I'm going to remove all the seeds, and then I'm going to start slicing away because I want to cube it in very small little pieces. I want the pico de gallo to have almost everything in the same size. Look at this. After this is done, I am going to transfer it to a bowl and continue chopping away. I have my scallions. If your scallions are nice and thick, just cut them through the center so that the pieces are not too large. Look at this. I'm going to leave this behind and I'm going to add it to the same bowl. This is what takes longer: slicing, cubing all your veggies. I have here the jalapenos, and this one smells very spicy. I'm going to remove the seeds, remove the vein, so that you could really enjoy this amazing pico de gallo with your crispy tacos. So I'm going to continue getting the seeds out of all the jalapenos. Then I'm going to slice them, cube them in small little pieces, and transfer them to the same bowl. I have here the cilantro. I'm only taking the little edges off and then transferring to the same bowl. I have my organic lemon from my garden, and let me show you how I'm going to get and obtain all the delicious juice with this little gadget. This little gadget, I bought it a long time ago at Walmart. And here I'm going to get all the juice out of this large lemon. When I say organic, it's because I cut it from my lemon tree. So here I'm getting all the juice out, and I want to make sure that before you add your lemon juice to the rest of the ingredients, make sure that you remove the seeds. You don't want any of the seeds to go into your pico de gallo. My mouth is already watering. This is so juicy, and the aroma of the citrus of the lemon, my gosh, amazing. Okay, now this is done. I'm going to go ahead, remove the seeds, and I'm going to add it directly into all the veggies. Look at this. Make sure that you remove the seeds so that you don't add any of the lemon seeds into your pico de gallo. This recipe is so easy to make. It's time consuming, but let me tell you, you're going to love these tacos. This is black pepper, salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm adding a teaspoon of black pepper, and here I'm just gonna mix away. I'm gonna taste it. If it's good, I don't need to add any more salt to it. Remember, when you cook at home, you have control of how much salt you are adding to your delicious and amazing food. Here, the potatoes have been cooking for about 40 minutes and they are ready. Ready for me to take the skin off and then start making the mashed potato for the tacos. If you got to this point and you love this recipe, well, let me tell you, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing.
growing, and I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel and making my amazing and delicious recipe. Here I'm adding the mix of the cheeses, the melting cheeses, and I am ready to incorporate it really good. Make sure that you smash your potato really good so they incorporate perfectly. And of course, before you start making your taquitos, warm up your tortillas for just a couple of seconds in the microwave. Taste it. If you need to add salt, add a little salt to taste. Remember that we added salt to the boiling water. So just make sure that you taste it, and if it needs salt, like mine did, I added just a little more. And here, and just mixing away, my tortillas have been in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and now I am ready to be very generous and adding the filling. I'm going to roll up these little tacos just like that, making sure that they are nice and filled and being very generous with the filling. Look at this. 1 tablespoon should be enough for each taco. Out of this recipe, I got 25 tacos. I'm going to continue rolling up and filling on my tacos. I'll see you when I'm done. It really doesn't take too long, but let me tell you, enjoy these tacos, make them at home. There's no need to buy crispy tacos when you could make them at home. I have a pan with hot oil. I'm going to start adding my tacos. I'm gonna leave them there for a couple minutes until they're nice and golden brown, and then I'm going to flip them. Don't add the tacos if the oil is not hot, if it's not bubbly, or else the taco is going to absorb all the excessive oil. Make sure that you have a plate with some napkins so that when you lay your tacos on top, the excessive oil falls off your taco and you really enjoy a crispy, delicious taco. I'm going to continue making the rest because I have a big family, and then I'll see you when I'm ready to garnish my tacos. Here I am ready. Of course, you have to add some sour cream. You have to add a delicious salsa. I have a red salsa that of course you already have on my channel. Go to Cooking with Gloria salsas and you'll have a variety of salsas. Of course, the pico de gallo in the center. And you cannot forget queso fresco right on the top to finish this amazing tacos. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. I'll see you in just a little bit.
My friends, I am completely done with these amazing, crispy, cheesy potato tacos. Of course, I added sour cream. I added a red salsa that you already have on my channel. And the pico de gallo right on the top. My mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy. Excuse me. Delicious. Let's celebrate Cinco de Mayo with delicious crispy tacos. Truly amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And make these amazing, cheesy, crispy potato tacos for Cinco de Mayo. See you soon. Bye-bye.